discuss decision making or control statements in C and loops in C. First we see decision making or control statements in C. Decision is nothing but condition. It is denoted by rhombus. And decision will give two values, true and false. If the condition true, we select one path. If the condition false, we select another path. And here the entry, this is the flowchart, and this is the condition. If the condition true, this path, and if the condition is false, false path. And the following or the condition statements are simple if else, nested if else if ladder, switch. Simple if is a powerful decision making statement, and it is used to control the flow of execution of the program. Syntax, we see if condition or expression, statement block, and statement s. If the condition is true, statement block will be executed. And then flowchart, start expression. If the expression is true, true statement will be executed. If the condition is false, for come out from the loop, it means stop. Next we see if else. If the condition is true, if block will be executed. If the condition is false, else block will be executed. Syntax here, if condition, true block statements, else false block statements, and statement X. And flowchart of if else statement. Chart, start expression, true statements in if branch, and if the false statements in else branch, and stop. Next we see nested if else. If within the if is called nested if else. That is nothing but the syntax if test expression 1, if test expression 2. If test expression 2 satisfies, this statement block will be executed, else statement block will be executed. And flowchart boolean expression 1, we have two parts, body of if and else. And within the if we have another nested expression 1, that is nothing but another test condition. We have true, false. Similarly, for the body of else, we have nested expression 2, true, false. And else if ladder. In else if ladder, else will have the condition, so that else if ladder is a multi-decision ladder statement. Nothing but syntax if test expression, execute your code. Else if within the else we have test condition. As far as we saw the decision making statement, we have uh, test condition for if, not for else. In this we have a test condition for else block, and execute your code, and else similarly else statement will be executed. And flowchart condition false, and this is true path, false statement 3. When the condition is true, it will execute true path. In the true path we have another condition, then it satisfies, it has two paths, false and else path, and statement X and next statement. And switch, which is also multi-decision making statement in C language. And syntax switch variable. In this we have number of cases, case 1 statements, break, case n, and default is the last case for all the programs, and then break. Here break is a keyword, it is terminated from the block or loop. Break is generally used in loops or switches or in control statements. Break is also used in nested loop. And we see the flowchart. Switch expression case 1. If the case 1 is true, else statement 1. Case 2 statement 2. Case n statement n. And by default we have default statement and end of the. Next we see loops. Loops are also called iterative statements and also called as repetitive statements. Loops are also known as decision making statements, so that it gives two values. If the condition true, repeat the loop. If the condition false, come out from the loop. Loops are denoted by hexagon. Every loop has three steps: initialization of variable, condition checking, increment or decrement. Loops are divided into three types: while loop, do while, and for loop. While loop is called as pre-test loop, do while, post-test loop, for loop is called as pre-test loop. Let's see. While loop. It has a loop condition only that is tested before each iteration to decide whether to continue or terminate the loop. Till nothing but first it checks the condition true, it executes the statements, and the body of a while loop will execute 0 or more number of times. And next we see the flow diagram. This is the condition The condition is true, statements will be executed. Again, go back to condition. Again, check the condition. True statements. Go back to condition. Condition is false. Come out from the loop. We take a sample example. Int I equal to 0 while I less than 3. Printf hello I plus plus. This is an increment. And firstly, initially the I value is 0. 0 less than 3. True. It prints hello one time. And again, it increments the I value. Now I value is 1. Again, it checks the condition 1 less than 3. True. Hello. 2 less than 3. True. Hello. And 3 less than 3. False. So come out from the loop. So that it prints 3 times. And do while loop. Do while has a loop condition only that is tested after each iteration to decide whether to continue with next termination or terminate the loop. Syntax: do statement block and while and check the condition. Check first it will execute the statement and then checks the condition. We have flowchart statements and condition. Condition true, execute the statements. Condition false, come out from the loop. We take a same example. Int I equal to 0, do printf hello I plus plus while I less than 3. It prints 3 times hello. For loop. For loop has 3 parts. Initializer is executed at start of the loop. Loop condition is tested before iteration to decide whether to continue or terminate the loop. Increment is executed at the end of the each loop iteration. Here we see the syntax for initialize semicolon condition and increment or decrement statement block. Here we have flow diagram. Initialization, check the condition, condition true, execute the statements and increment the I value and again go to the initialization, check the condition is false, come out from the loop. Let's take a same example. For I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, printf hello. And it prints 3 times the hello statement in the output screen. Mostly we prefer for loop because within a small number of lines we can write a code and we can achieve the task what we want to print.